Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yeah, we're nearing the weekly close on Market Cipher, and we're gonna find out to see if it's gonna be looking more bearish or if if the dip is starting to slow down. This week right now we're having some more positive bullish numbers, especially on the DBSI, and the bears are looking to maybe start weakening, but everything can change in a week. A lot can happen in a week. And on the daily, we did get that manipulation X, so we could be going down temporarily, but we always want to stay positive and but also at the same time stay realistic when looking at the charts. Right, you just because you believe in a pattern is going to play out doesn't mean it's going to play out. You want to stay realistic and look at all the facts. And yeah, congratulations to anyone that made this short, and you close your position, or you're still in it, you're still in profits depending on where you shorted. But yeah, that was a really good short opportunity at 40,000 or even 39,000. And yeah, just want to look at some patterns right now, and looks like we had on the 1 hour right here, we had a bullish divergence, and looks like it kind of played out right here. We were making. So let me reset this so it zooms in. There we go. We were making lower lows, but the RSI was making higher highs. So eventually we bounced off this line, and then we had a nice bounce. And it looks like this small pattern right here that Daniel pointed out in the chat is about to break out soon. So the target from here would be up to the probably around the $39,200 level. If we break down, we could break this major triangle, which could end up causing Bitcoin to probably collapse to $17,000. I think around that area, or $20,000 around this area right here. And if we do break up, out of this big triangle, we could be headed, I believe, the last time I did it in the past video, I think it could take us all the way to, if we break out, depending on the breakout point, like 52,000, 51,000. And then, a strong reversal from here would be really good, but we'll see what happens, right? As I pointed out in the last video, we're forming a sort of W. We could look like on the larger time frame, so it makes more sense. We're forming a sort of a W right now, so we'll see if that's valid in the short term. Just want to see, yeah. So we could be forming a W right now. That would be really good because the second drop for the W would make it a higher high. Sorry, a higher low. Sorry, yeah, it would make a higher low, or technically we'd be bouncing off at this level where the candles close, which is really good. That's good news, and everyone's being pretty bearish right now and negative on Bitcoin. So that's signals that market could reverse at any time. We've seen that on the larger time frames when the RSI drops so much that we could be getting a strong bounce, because right now the RSI is a little negative. At the 50, at the 50 mark, it's kind of neutral, but right now we're in the 40, 43 levels. So that's a little too negative in my opinion. And on the weekly we could see that it's starting to look a tiny bit positive, but we'll see where it closes in 6 hours. I know Memorial Day is in the US is the stock market's closed, so there probably won't be much trading going on. So a potential weekend dump is we're not out of the woods, so everything is still possible. Even on the daily, where you can see that small W was talking about a double bottom potentially, and a reversal to the upside. But we want to stay realistic. If it does break this pattern, we could be going back down to test the $30,000 levels, and if we don't hold that, we could be breaking down even lower. But I think a strong relief rally could be coming, just because the RSI has been so low for so long. A strong rally would not be too outlandish at this point. But I'm also looking at the hash ribbons, and they've crossed on May 16, so it's been over 15 days now. It's almost 2 weeks since they crossed. So we'll see if the buy signal is going to come soon. A buy signal could come, and that would be a really, really good sign that the dump is over, and then we could rally from there on. I was talking about in the previous video that that I believe in the stock to flow model, and if this plays out, the stock to flow model would stay true, and we have a strong rally to 70K and upwards. But we want to hear all the facts, right? Right now, the the fundamental news is like inflation is a real thing. We could see that because gold is going up. We're at 1900 and silver's going up as well, 27.9. I got silver in at $20, $24, so I'm doing pretty good for myself on the commodity sector. And I'm just like kind of bearish on the stock SP 500 as a whole. I have opened a short position for the stock market because I believe a mild dump could be coming, maybe more, because we are nearing the end of the month. This is the monthly candles, and just by looking at the momentum waves, the light blue could be crossing the dark blue soon. And we've been going up for so long. I don't think this rally could be going for much longer, but that's just my opinion. I could be completely wrong. I'm not this is not financial advice. Just do your own research first. And I also want to look at Ethereum because Ethereum has been super volatile lately. It's been going up and down like crazy. And we can see right here, it's always double the percentage of Bitcoin. And oh my God, a 16% pump today in ADA. Wow, that's crazy. I didn't even see that. Congratulations to anyone that's holding ADA. And looks like Ethereum is basically forming a similar pattern as well, kind of like a small W. We'll see if we break out from there as well. If we do end up breaking out, I'm going to enter trades in Ethereum and Bitcoin. But patience is key, guys. You don't have to trade every day. Time is on your side. I haven't traded in a couple of days. I think 5 days maybe. So I'm not even sure how long it's been, but I've just been looking at the charts, just analyzing, because if you're not making trades, you're not making money, but you're also not losing money, which is the most important thing, is not to lose money. Right? That's the number one rule. Don't lose money. Even Warren Buffett says that. That's his rule, and he's the greatest investor in the entire world. So that's also my opinion, but you could probably disagree with that. There's probably other investors that you guys prefer. You could always share in the comments. I'd like to discuss that. I like to talk to you guys all the time in the Discord. Thanks. Congratulations to everyone that's in the Discord and following our trades. When we make trades, we make really good gains, and we use proper risk management. And that's just basically it. We could look at the M2 money supply, just been going crazy. Just to look at the fact, every time we've get a buy signal, we've had a 300% run up, 51%, 50%, 35%. Yeah, it's not that much, but it's still 35%, and then 240%. The last one that flashed, 240% run, and right now we crossed, and we could potentially getting a buy signal. So just stay tuned for that. Or you can go on TradingView yourself and look at this indicator. It's a free indicator. You just go on indicator strategies and then type in hash ribbons. I'm not sure where it is. There they are, hash ribbons. And you can follow that one. So, if you guys have any more questions, just join the Discord. Go ahead and ask me. It's my day off today, so take advantage of that. Hope you guys are making really good trades and have a wonderful day. Peace.